Did you know that a professional, who is obviously a Tesla bull, thinks the company's stock would reach the moon? With Tesla's connection to SpaceX, this can be interpreted both literally and metaphorically. To learn more about this, be sure to keep watching and tuning in. Bulls in Tesla are just that, bulls. They are upbeat in spite of all the problems that are circling the top EV manufacturer. The majority of investors, more especially the bulls, think Tesla has a ton more potential in the upcoming years. You will learn today why one expert predicts Tesla stock will reach the moon. YouTuber Darren Jung, a Tesla devotee, claims that Tesla is one of the fastest growing automakers in the world with the highest profitability. In a recent video recorded at the SpaceX headquarters in Fulton, California, Jung discussed Tesla and SpaceX, two businesses led by Elon Musk, the billionaire CEO. He claimed that there are perceptions and similarities between the two businesses. Given that both SpaceX and Tesla are seen by some as extremely successful businesses that are at the pinnacle of their abilities. Nonetheless, he went on, a lot of people still don't realize how much space both businesses have for expansion and innovation. Initially, Jung discussed SpaceX in his video. Considering that he is filming inside the company's headquarters, a flight-tested Falcon 9 rocket is visible in the frame. In December 2015, it made its maiden successful landing, making it the first reusable rocket in history. That was the only time it was on display at SpaceX's headquarters. Since then, 178 launches of Falcon 9 family rockets have occurred, with 176 complete mission successes, one partial failure, and one spacecraft loss. With launch costs up to 3 times lower than those of rivals, the Falcon 9 has completely transformed the space launch sector. SpaceX plans to increase the frequency of its launches every year by 2023 to one every 6 days. The company plans to introduce one every 3 days in an effort to double that. Tesla has transformed the automotive sector, much like SpaceX has significantly impacted the aerospace industry. It has mainstreamed electric vehicles and altered public attitudes of them. The Tesla Model Y is actually in the top 5 best-selling cars overall, not just electric cars. According to Jung, Tesla is the most profitable and rapidly expanding automaker in the world. Furthermore, they have the best customer satisfaction rates and produce the safest cars. He added that local supplier networks and manufacture at the Fremont factory in Austin, Texas, make Tesla cars among the most American-made. According to Jung, Tesla and SpaceX might both benefit greatly from the Falcon 9's performance for many years to come. Nevertheless, it seems that both businesses have higher goals, from once every 3 days to 3 times a day. SpaceX wants to increase the frequency of launches. Beyond environmentally friendly vehicles, Tesla wants to achieve the same with electricity. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, feels that time is the most valuable resource and that life is full of uncertainties. Musk realized he only had a 10% chance of success when he launched SpaceX and invested in Tesla. And neither business really took off. Nevertheless, he persisted in bringing both businesses to their present prosperity because he thought they were crucial to humanity. Over the last 10 years, Tesla has generously rewarded its long-term stockholders, and I think there are still a lot of unwritten chapters in this tale. The stock market is like a voting machine in the short run, since anything can happen to the price of stocks. According to Jung, I think of the stock market as a weighing machine in the long run. The stock price will reflect the fundamentals of the company, he continued. A business called Tesla is radically transforming humankind. It should be mentioned that Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has said in the past that Tesla is crucial to the future of humanity. According to Musk, it's very important for all life on Earth during a conversation. Furthermore, Musk has frequently stated that he is concerned about the environment. Political parties, ethnicity, creed, and religion are subordinate to this. That is unimportant. We're all doomed if we can't address the environmental problem, Musk declared. What do you think will happen to Tesla? Tell us in the space provided for comments below. Analysts predict that Tesla will develop beyond the sale of electric vehicles in the long run. The business has made a name for itself as a disruptor, and in the years to come, it might keep up that reputation. There exist other additional routes of potential expansion for Tesla. In order to draw in the greatest A talent, the business is first concentrating on improving its autopilot and full self-driving (FSD) functions. In August, Tesla had an AI Day celebration. Notably, Tesla's ability to lead on the FSD front depends on luring. Additionally, the business is concentrating on these factors. Solar energy installations and energy storage are two more possible growth avenues for Tesla. The business has been making good development in both areas. Lastly, Tesla sees auto insurance as a potential area for expansion. The business intends to approach this in a different way than conventional insurance providers. Tesla intends to estimate the likelihood of a collision and provide personalized insurance premiums depending on it by using its extensive driver data for features like braking, turning, unsafe following, forward collision alerts, and so on. Some people think that Tesla's ability to predict the future, rather than just selling cars, is the key to the company's success. Furthermore, because its cars are not only amazing to drive, but also give off the impression of being futuristic, its clientele is the most devoted in the automobile industry. Imagine being able to go 600 kilometers, hardly touching the controls, without having to search for gas stations or worry about running out of petrol. The company's future lies in increasing manufacturing efficiencies, making significant advancements in self-driving technology, entering the largest vehicle market globally, and adopting a long-term strategy that some experts are only now starting to grasp. In the EV industry, Tesla is a dominant force overall. The competitive advantages of the company stem from various factors, including its emphasis on environmental sustainability, integration of technology advancements, product differentiation, and cost leadership. In contrast to other automakers, Tesla entered the market with a distinct strategy. It adopted a different strategy, concentrating on developing an attractive car that would generate demand for electric vehicles, rather than attempting to construct a reasonably priced car that it could mass produce and sell. There is a greater demand for electric vehicles than there is supply, notwithstanding Tesla's low production capacity resulting from its business model. In contrast, demand rather than supply may be a limiting factor for other electric vehicles. Indeed, for many years to come, UBS analysts predict that Tesla will be the most lucrative participant in the electric vehicle market. The Patrick Hummel-led team of analysts projects that by 2025, Tesla and Volkswagen will be the two biggest manufacturers of electric vehicles, EVs, but that Elon Musk's automaker would far surpass all other EV manufacturers in terms of earnings. They predict that Tesla will generate an operational profit, OP, of $2.3 million and sell 2.3 million EVs in that year. $20 billion. The experts predicted that Tesla's software products will provide a far greater profit margin than its vehicles. With its autopilot driving assistance system, which can be updated over the air, Tesla is the only carmaker that can provide major software upgrades to its cars. It is also one of the finest in the business. Furthermore, full self-driving mode, FSD, an even more sophisticated automated driving function, is currently undergoing beta testing. The analysts calculated that the commercialization of Tesla's software capabilities, primarily full self-driving, accounts for $9 billion of the $20 billion OP. Due to its size, VW should be well ahead of all other traditional OEMs. Nevertheless, compared to Tesla, its software upside is significantly lower. Tesla supporters claim that even while FSD can't yet make cars completely autonomous, it has the ability to significantly increase the company's earnings. For example, should Tesla fulfill its commitment to build an autonomous taxi network, it may reap significant benefits. As one Tesla admirer puts it, Tesla is a company that is profoundly changing humanity. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, has stated that the company is critical to the global economy. For more content about Tesla stocks, don't forget to watch our other videos and hit the like and subscribe buttons.